Here's an unbiased review of 4 popular fluxes: the Amtech as Mutant, Chip Quick, and SRA Paste Flux. And they all vary in prices from expensive to inexpensive. And as you can see, the fluxes go on well, except the paste flux is a little thick, but that's understandable. And they all wet the joints good with leaded solder at 330 degrees Celsius. The overall result is really good, as you can see. And each one looks really good. So overall, they all performed really, really well. Like and subscribe if you like this content and want more.